Tan. How are you?
Uy, I'm with my model right now. We're doing a quick fan shoot lang. And look! I'm using the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Let's go!
Is that a phone that can shoot in 8K?
Yes, and super sulit siya for a professional videographer like me Lalo pa I'm promoting mobile filmmaking here in the Philippines, and it's also a great choice for everyday use.
Really? How did you say so?
Well, for starters, shooting in super high resolution video format gives me a lot of benefits. 8K video resolution is here, and it will be the norm. For content creators, amateur videographers, they will all agree with me that shooting in 8K is really useful. Imagine cropping your video without losing any image quality and being at par with professional cameras. Cool, diba?
All that because of 8K?
Exactly. So just take a look at this video footage that we shot in 8K earlier.
Wow! Kakaiba nga ang 8K,
For real! And with Samsung's innovation, they have this new feature, 8K Video Snap, that allows a screen capture in any video taken. Para ka na rin nag-capture ng still photos nun. Kasi super high-res siya. Just take a look at these photos that we capture using the 8K Video Snap.
Oh wow! I'm sold! Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is really that phone to get.
Right, and to say that the features are great is an understatement. It is an epic phone, perfect for capturing these everyday epic moments. That's just for both pro and amateur mobile filmmakers.
Uy, Tito Tan, thank you
No problem. So paano? Shoot mo na kami.